I'm setting up to record the sounds on the stock Squawk and Talk board setup with the Centaur ROMs. Ignore my fly wires. I've got some pins that fell off one of the ROMs. I've got some replacement ROMs. I just haven't put them on there yet. I've got my tester board here where I went through already and found all the sounds. There's a possible 256 sounds. I've found them all and recorded them all after each other so that I could play it back into my speaker and pick that up on my microphone hooked up to Audacity where I can record the files and break them out. The background sound on Centaur is a little bit different than the others. I found out 250 turns off the background sound, which is similar to Flash Gordon. The background sound changes every time something is hit on the play field. It speeds up a little bit more and more. I'm simulating that by pressing the button and just setting a blank sound. Getting faster and faster. And it kind of does this weird ticking thing twice, or two different ones, and it kind of goes back to where it started. I think I'll record that kind of as one big sound file, kind of spread out, not as individual sound files. Here's a close-up of the board. Since each game ROM requires different jumper settings, I actually put extra long pins on the jumpers and have these mechanical jumper housings that I can put on all of them to reconfigure it quickly without soldering and desoldering them over and over again. Centaur actually doesn't use this one. I think it's a U12 chip, so these EE jumpers are all in. I think there's 2 games that don't use this. So now I just added this in here. My whole soundboard's been recapped and I've got new volume knobs. It sounds pretty good. So I'm going to set up and actually record Centaur here. I'm going to get the recording going. Starting to record. Got the microphone hooked up. And I'm going to hit play on here, and it's going to play back all of the saved sounds and record them. And I'm going to have to be quiet so that I don't mess up the recording.
Maximum